Welcome back to McCraw's on the Map RV travel vlog as we explore around the country.
This week we are exploring Hanksville, Utah, Goblin Valley State Park, and Capitol Reef National Park. We are excited to explore Mars on Earth and some other cool spots and take you along with us. Blowing some of the dust around, so I don't know. Hopefully it won't coat the inside the camper.
Yeah. While we wait on the part for our solar system to come in, we've been having to use our generator to power things in the camper. Thankfully, we are camping in the middle of nowhere, so we don't have any neighbors that we're disturbing with our generator. But today we need to get some work done, so we're going to head to a coffee shop in town so that we can use their Wi-Fi and not have to have generator running using gas for several hours. Well, the coffee shop we wanted to go to was closed, so we ended up at the Mexican restaurant / bar, but they got Wi-Fi. Today we are traveling to the moon and to Mars, all within 30 minutes of our camper. Hanksville, Utah is known as one of the most otherworldly landscapes in the country, so we're going to check it out. On Mars, but then you can see the snow-covered mountains in the background. If you want to legitimately feel like you're on another planet, you have to visit Hanksville, Utah.
Guys, we might not make it through the night. We got wind blowing at 30 plus miles an hour, even though everybody at Jayco seems to think our camper is way overweight, so who knows if it's true or not. But if it is, that might help hold us down. We'll see, I guess.
We are blowing. We can feel it rocking, and the wind is rough. We're just trying to get some air from having the windows open and got sandblasted. This is after 2 or 3 rounds of sweeping and mopping. Goodness gracious. Second round of mopping and still getting a lot of stuff. I don't know if you can hear that wind, but We now have all of the windows closed and the generator running. And the wind is all we hear. And now we don't have any airflow, so this is what our thermostat is at. Oof. Look at all of this dust on the camper from our windstorm last night. This is crazy. All over the truck too. Mine is covered. Today we are trading outer space to go see some goblins in Goblin Valley State Park. This park is cool because in the main valley area where the biggest cluster of the hoodoos are, you can pretty much just hike freely. There's not set trails, it's just a big open area that you can roam and explore and see all that you can see. It's about a 3 square mile area and tons of hoodoos and things all around. Really cool. You can see the Henry Mountains in the distance over there too, some snow on them, which is pretty neat. I did just feel a couple of raindrops, so we're going to start making our way back to the car. But this is super cool to explore. Looks like a pretty nice campground too, and they all have picnic tables with little covers over them. Little cute yurts too, which I think would be really fun to stay with those. That one especially that's tucked up there in the rocks. Little amphitheater where they do ranger talks and things. Yep, the rain has started. On the plus side, this will wash off some of the dust that we got last night. Now for one of the best parts of this national park, pie! The pies are locally made and they even have homemade ice cream to add on top. At the end of the scenic road, the road continues unpaved for another 2.5 miles, but it is worth the bumpy ride. It's not too rough, so high clearance vehicle is not required, but do take it slow. Well, that wraps up our week in Hanksville. We really enjoyed this cute and quirky little area. Truly felt otherworldly, and so many different landscapes too. Really cool area. But we are out of water. We need to dump, so it's time to move on. Our solar system is still not working at the moment, so we are going to a campground for a night so we can take care of our water and those needs, and also charge up our batteries until we can get the part to hopefully fix the solar system. So stay tuned for next week to see us hopefully get that put back together so we can get back to boondocking and see where we get up to next.